Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription service offering enhanced features for serious investors. It provides access to professional research, a higher interest rate on uninvested cash, and larger instant deposits. This guide will walk you through its benefits and how to maximize your membership. Let's dive into what makes Gold a valuable tool for your investing journey. Robinhood Gold provides several key advantages. You'll earn a competitive 5% interest on your uninvested cash, helping your money work harder. Plus, gain access to in-depth Morningstar research reports, empowering you with valuable insights for your investment choices. The increased instant deposit limit of up to $50,000 means you can trade with funds sooner, and margin trading is available at a favorable rate. Getting started with Robinhood Gold is straightforward. First, open your Robinhood app and log into your account. Then, simply navigate to the Account tab and look for the Robinhood Gold option. Review the membership benefits and terms, and once you're ready, confirm your subscription. After that, you can fund your account and immediately begin enjoying all the enhanced features Gold has to offer. To truly maximize your Robinhood Gold membership, make sure to leverage all its features. Dive into the Morningstar research reports to make well-informed investment decisions. Keep your uninvested cash within your account to benefit from the 5% interest rate. Plan your larger trades around the increased instant deposit limits for seamless execution. Always understand the risks associated with margin trading before utilizing borrowed funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.